Hi, I'm Patrick George with Jimmy's Famous Seafood. I'm here in Manassas, Virginia with Rolling Kitchens. Picking up our 5th food truck today. I can't complain about the work. I think excellent work's been done here. Everything's top-notch, top-tier work. If you need a food truck done, get it done with Rolling Kitchens. This is our 5th food truck. We have 4 trucks and 1 trailer. This is a big part of our operations here at Jimmy's Famous Seafood. And also we're doing a Jimmy's Famous Fund right now, donating to local businesses, trying to help out around the community of Baltimore. Go on the website, jimmysfamousseafood.com, check it out, and we also ship around the United States. Make sure you check out the website and order something.